So today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the MRD Smartbrain. So if you haven't seen my other video on the MRD X Pro Metal Edition, make sure to check it out. So this is pretty much the Stylecraft Saber 2s. This one right here and this black one right here. So let's check out the MRD Smartbrain. Alright, so let's get this box open. So I did get the pink version. Oh, look at that. That thing looks so clean. So size comparison from the X Pros. They look about the same size, but let's see what else we got under here before we check out the clippers. This is what you can get if you want to purchase it separately from the seller. So I'll leave the link down below. I'll leave everything down below. So for the people asking, where can I get it? Where can I get it? Where can I get it? Just check the description, man. But they are the same exact material and everything. So it comes with the same cutting blade. However, this one seems to be metal with the same shape as the X Pro. So it's kind of like that crescent shape, not like the typical Stylecraft shape. So what else we got? Dub tight guards from Stylecraft. So generic Stylecraft charger. Remember guys, this is separate. So if you do want to purchase this separately, you got to contact the seller. He'll give you a separate link and he'll kind of tell you which one to order and just add to your order. He just puts it inside, added with this. Now check out the charging dock. Boom. MRD Pro. Let's check out the main piece. So this is just going to be an unboxing, but make sure you stay until the end for a demo, test haircut demo. So, ooh, this thing looks crazy. So the price of this was $208 free shipping. So $100 less than this one. It do got that brushless motor. So you got some oil on there from the factory. And we got the cover. And let's check out the blade. Wait. So it did not come with the Echo Blade, and I tested it out and I compared it to the MRD X Pro. So I actually did end up putting the Echo Blade that came with the clipper on it. It's actually kind of off when it comes to the typography. So it says premium hyperallergenic gold, and it says over here, Instinct is assembled. Didn't really check this area much, and it didn't come with the screwdriver. So I thought it was the Echo Blade because it looked very similar. It had those very hollow ridges, but it is not the Echo Blade. It's actually more so like similar to the regular Vapor blade that Stylecraft usually comes with. Fine tooth, thin blade. So I might actually be changing. Actually, I'll see how this cuts first, if it creates that super crunchy sound. And if it does, I'm just gonna put this MRD one on a separate clipper. Put it there so you guys can see it a little bit better. So this is the Smartbrain digital brushless or Saber 2 clipper that everybody's raving about. Like,
oh my god, Stylecraft is freaking scamming.
It's up to you if it justifies you paying an extra $100. That's up to you. So let's take a look at this actually. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks, which is awesome. And the thing that is crazy about this is looks like it came zero gap. They're perfectly set straight at the factory. Let's see if you guys can get that right there. Yeah, so that is perfectly set right there. You still got a little bit of gap so it doesn't cut the client's skin. And we got 3 LED indicator bars over there, charger port, USB-C charging. So let's give this let's turn this on for the first time. So we do got that 3 light indicators, which is pretty cool. The X Pro has these 4 light indicators. So we can do a little sound comparison actually. So this is the X Pro. So in person these things sound super quiet, but for some reason on the camera mic it sounds super loud. Sound comparison, same distance away from the camera. Quiet. So if you guys are trying to pick up the Stylecraft Saber 2s for the low, I mean, it's not really that cheap or that inexpensive. It's $200, which if you think about it, I wouldn't cheap out on tools because these are what make you money. And as a barber, a lot of barbers, they try to cheap out on the cheapest tools they could get. Like, oh, what's the best deal I can find? Like, honestly, like, just invest in your tools. I know a lot of people are really prideful about, I cut with $100 magic clips that I've had for 5 years and I could probably do a better haircut than you. like that's cool, bro, that you like your magic clips and all, but sometimes like we just want to switch out our clippers. Makes cutting hair more fun, being able to switch clippers, if you know what I mean, sometimes. But sometimes you get bored of one clipper and you want to switch. One clipper is better at fading, one clipper is better at detailing. So this was just the unboxing, and make sure you stay tuned for a demo test of me using this on a client's hair and testing it out against the X Pros. And honestly, I'm really interested to see which one will perform better. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. So let's do a quick comparison real quick. Let's grab the X Pros. Yeah, you guys can hear that crunch difference. You hear that crunch difference, bro?
Yeah, I hear it.
Yeah. It's like it's just slicing through the hair. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just show you guys how easily this thing takes out the bulk. One swipe, one pass. You feel any pulling or anything?
No, it's super smooth.
Super smooth?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys can see how it just takes out that bulk like nothing. No snagging of the hairs. It's crazy. So it's honestly just gonna be personal preference which one you like better, because this one has a brushless motor. The other one has the vector motor, which is kind of a magnetic motor. So it's all up to you guys. So yeah guys, this is just a demo and unboxing, and I'll get back to you guys within a month or so just to see how the clippers have held up. And I'm also going to be doing a review on the MRD X Pros and tell you guys my honest opinions, what's wrong with it, what I like about it, what I don't like about it. And yeah guys, stay tuned for that.